All right, this is a system that sometimes runs and sometimes don't, makes a clunking noise. And right now, as you see, condenser fan motor is not running. It is running, but I don't know if it's in defrost or what right now. So let's give it just a second. That is just, it's not hot and it's not cold. Can't reach it, not with that. Let me see, this is forced defrost. Alright, so it will go into defrost, and apparently that motor was not running when it should have been. Alright, it just came out of defrost. Let's see if we can tell if this thing's getting voltage or not. Try to get this where you can see what I'm doing. 308. So it was getting voltage. Let's check this capacitor first. I thought I had heard something in those bearings, but 4.7. 55.5, so that motor should have been starting. Yep, bearings are shot on it. Let's see if we can. Looks like quarter horse, 208, 230, 825 RPM. Clearly that thing is loud as it can be and needs to be changed. I'm going to try to check pressure, at least the head pressure on this. And as you see, even with the R22 system, that head pressure should be a whole lot higher than that. I need to stop and do a leak search. That is really low. (2004) XB12, looks like a 4-ton. This thing may have seen better days. Alright, we're up in the attic to do a leak search. Plenty of room to work up here. Nice attic space. Oh, cool. All right, I came outside to do a leak search, and right around here, see if I can get you a better view. Right around here, you see all that oil right there, and these two pipes are just touching. I barely have any pressure on this thing. Should be enough to blow bubbles though. I got really low pressure. I'm gonna put some nitrogen on it and check it. All right, we're putting some nitrogen to it. I don't hear any hissing. All right, I got bubbles. It's really hard to see. I'm gonna see if I can get you in there. I don't know if you can see that, but that is just barely blowing bubbles right there. All right, so then need a condenser fan motor, repair leak. That's my liquid line dryer. That looks like a 1/2 inch on a 3/8. But like I said, this is a home warranty, a new home warranty company. Don't know if I'm gonna get paid for this or if they're gonna approve it, so we gotta submit an estimate. On that last one, this is an Amazon home warranty, and I've never worked for them before. If I get approval and get out there and do the job, I'll bring y'all with me.